welcome to my channel. I am Iamdevonanicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So we are back with mystery bags. Yes. So I always order the mystery bags from FABFITFUN because I think they're funny. You get like some really cool things sometimes. So we have a total of 4 mystery bags that I ordered. So one is the surprise bath and body bundle for $24.99. Then there's the home bundle for $24.99. Then we have the skincare bundle for $24.99. And we have a mystery bundle for $19.99. So we're going to hit all 4 mystery bags today. And I'm going to show you what I got in these mystery bags. And if you picked any of these up, let me know if you got some of the same things or if you got something different. But let's get into this thing and let's see what we got in the mystery bags. Hopefully we get some cool stuff. So let's start out with the skincare bundle because it says SKI. So I'm assuming this is the skincare bundle right here. We have 3 products in here. And for some reason, somebody likes to tie these little tiny knots in all the bags. And then when you go to open them, it takes you forever to open the bag because you got all these knots. So we got 3 products. Let's see what they gave us. Okay, let's start out with this little one here. So this one is Day and Night Moisturizer by Sarah Topical Freedom. Never heard of them at all whatsoever. So this is a moisturizer. And I have no idea what this product is supposed to do other than moisturize your skin because I've never heard of the brand. So that's the first item. We have a moisturizer. The second item here, we have Higher Education Grinding Away. Okay, never heard of this brand either. So this is a skin polishing scrub. So this is like a body scrub, I'm assuming. Yeah. All skin types, Higher Education. I've never heard of this brand. So we have 2 brands in here I've never heard of. So this is a body scrub. And we have one more product in here. We have Stripes. And it says the Power Move. What is this? This is a hydrating and plumping facial serum. So let's see what it looks like outside of the box. Another brand I've never heard of. So this must be the unknown skincare bundle. Because I don't know any of these brands that came in here. If you guys heard of any of them or got some information you could share with me about these 3 brands, I would be glad to hear. But otherwise, I will have to go look them up myself. So this is the Stripes. And this is the Power Move Hydrating and Plumping Facial Serums. I do like serums. But yeah, never heard of any of these 3 brands that we got in the skincare bundle. So that's the first one. So the skincare bundle was valued at $24.99. So we're just going to move along and go to the next bundle that we have here. So this is the next bundle I have. I'm not sure what this is. Because I was thinking this was the skincare bundle actually. But it's not clearly marked. It looked like it's a bag inside of another bag inside of a bag. So let me get into this thing and we'll see what it is. So guys, I finally broke into the bag. Let's see what this is. Because see, there's another one in here with, what is this? Maybe this is the body care one, I'm assuming, right? Maybe this is the body care. So let's see what we have. We have Sela. I'm familiar with this brand. I used something else from them that was more like a facial, not an oil, but like a cream or some sort. And I did like that one. So this is Sea to Skin. This is a body scrub that we received for this one. And it says it's a finely milled with Capallu seeds and gently and effectively exfoliates the skin, while the Epsom oil and shea butter replenishes the moisture. So that is a body scrub we got. The next one is Miami Beach Bum. I am familiar with them. And we have a sunscreen. So this is a 30 SPF that we have here. And this is called Blocked. Alright. And the last thing we have a Oren Hinkinson product. And this is Stay in Touch Restorative Hand Cream. So Yeah, I can't wait to try that one. It says it deeply hydrates and smooth with cloudberry oil and poly something else. And okay, so this is a hydrating hand cream, so I can't wait to try this one out. So that's the first two bundles we have. So we took out body and we took out the skincare. So let's move to the next bundles that we have, and they're the pretty bigger ones. So this is our mystery bundle, guys, because we see the mystery on the bottom here. So we know this is the mystery bundle. So let's take a look at what we got in this one. The first thing I got is an Innisfree retinol CI patch or something. I've never heard of this. So guys, I've never heard of this one. So is it for, what is this for? It says an intense spot care. So is this for pimples? Yeah, it says 4-leaf clover shape patches with dissolving micro needles that provide intense care to stressed or problem areas. It says on the back, guys, so troubled skin, you just put the patch on, hold for 10 seconds, leave on overnight, and remove in the AM. So to me, it sounds like it's a bunch of pimple pads. Let's see. So they come like this, and they're like, how many in here? One sheet has 9 patches, so it sounds like a pimple pad to me with retinol in it. So these come in handy. I can use this definitely. So let's see what else is in here. We have a Laura Geller palette. I think, is this the one we got the other box? I remember we got a Laura Geller palette. I hope it's not the same exact one. So this is the Laura Geller palette. This is the Social Butterfly Face Palette. And it says it's a party in a palette. And it says this palette will leave you the star of any show at any glamorous event. It features a mix of flattering, versatile hues suitable for any occasion. Inside you'll find a mirror, 6 eyeshadows, a blush, a highlighter, and this is perfectly curated for fun times ahead. So let's break into here. I don't know if this is the same. This appears to be the same one, like a full face palette. I think that's what we got the last time. I hope it's not the same exact one though. So there's yeah, here's the mirror that I'm folding back, and these are our colors. Okay, you got a face palette. So here's your 6 eyeshadows, your highlighter, and this blush. This blush is a definite no for me, because if I put it on, you probably would not be able to see anything on this blush. So, I don't know about this one. This one probably is going to be given away to someone. But yeah, so we got the Laura Geller full face palette. And let's see what the next thing in here is. All right, yeah, I can open the bag. So guys, the next item we pulling out, this is from Short Stories. And what do we have here? We have the Macy Blackwell collection. This is the Aisha wood cheese board. I probably butchered the name, so please do not come for me in the comment section. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. They have it packaged very well. So this is the cheese wood board tray that we received. This is nice if you're having a little get together or Easter's coming. You need to have some appetizers. I think this will do fine. What do you guys think? This is nice. I really like that. Very nice. That can definitely get used. So I really like that. And again, this is by Short Stories, and this is their wood cheese board. So this is nice. Very nice, like that. Is it just one piece, right? Yes, just one piece. So let's go on to the next thing and see what else we got in here. We have one more bag to go. So guys, I'm back with our last bundle, which is going to be the shorts, which is the home bundle actually. So we have the home bundle. This is the last one. And let's see what came in this. This one kind of heavy. So let's see. We have some organizing pouches here. So this looks like this is for travel. Let me open this up and I can show you. Looks like it's more than one in here from what I'm seeing. I like these. I just broke one of these while I was traveling. So if it is an organization pouch, that'd be great. So here we go. And the brand is M Organizing Pouches. And this is for travel. And we got 4 pieces. So this is the color. This is the larger bag here. Then we have some smaller bags here for travel. These come in really handy when you're trying to grab all your stuff and some of your smaller items. You could kind of just toss them in here. I like these little organization pouches, so this is great. And let's see what the next thing is. Ooh. The next thing is we have a stationery set. Look at that. So this has a little notebook. It has a pen. We have some clips, a ruler, and what else is in here? Are these straw? Oh, 2 pencils. And a little notes and some filing clips in here. So that is cute. And then the last thing, which is heavy. So this is the last thing. We have another short stories product here. And this is a set of plates. Oh, wow. A set of plates. And does it say what? Yeah, 4 plates. Just doesn't say. 8-inch plates, guys, is what we have. So let's see what these look like. I have a lot of short stories products. Ooh, I like plates. Let me flip these over so I can pull them out. Ooh, look at this. This is nice. I like these. Oh, we got a set of 4 of these. These are some nice plates. This is nice for entertaining too. You got your girls over, you having a little girls' night, and you can get them these nice little plates and stuff to put their food in. I like it. I like it. Yes. So the home bundle was very interesting, wasn't it? Plates, a stationery set, and some travel organization bags for our home bundle. Nice. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me do the unboxings and unbaggings of these mystery bundles that I received. And let me know what you thought was your favorite thing out of these mystery bundles, because I know they could be a hit or miss. I don't think I really care for the skincare ones too much because I don't know none of those brands, but I might be missing out on something. And sometimes I do get to stumble on a new brand that I actually like. So we'll see. It's to be determined on the skincare stuff. But I like the home bundle. I like the mystery bundle. I think these were really nice. I really enjoy unboxing these for you. If you picked any of these up, let me know if you got any of the same items or if you got something different. But guys, thanks for watching. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly. I love showing you guys what I'm picking up in my subscription unboxings and sharing with you what's in them. And if that's something that you're into and you like seeing what other people get, go ahead and tap the subscribe button and the notification bell. It will let you know when I post next. But until my next video, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.